What are furnace ratings? Furnaces are rated by the annual fuel utilization efficiency ratio, which is the percent of heat produced for every dollar of fuel consumed, or how efficiently a furnace converts gas into heating energy. Its rating is measured as a percentage.